In 1983, in a vault deep within Langley, Virginia, a document was classified. It was not about spycraft or weapons. It was about the ultimate frontier, the human mind. This document, known simply as the Gateway Report, contained a secret the CIA believed could change everything. They called it the Gateway Process. But what they were really describing was magic. Have you ever felt that the world you perceive is just a fraction of what's truly there? That beyond the veil of your five senses lies a vast, humming field of energy and information? What if I told you that the most secretive intelligence agency on the planet spent a fortune to prove this is true? And what if the key to unlocking this hidden reality has been lying dormant, not in a lab, but within the silent, dark ocean of your own subconscious? This is not a conspiracy theory. This is a declassified fact. And today, we are going to use their discovery to perform the most potent spell you will ever cast. A spell to escape the prison of ordinary perception and step into the realm of your true power. This is the story of the CIA's Gateway Process. Part 1. The Secret in the Vault. The story begins in the cold, logical heart of the American intelligence apparatus. The CIA was investigating remote viewing, the ability to perceive distant locations with the mind alone. But they stumbled upon something far deeper. They commissioned a report from a brilliant physicist to answer a simple, terrifying question. Is this power real? And if so, how does it work? The resulting document is a breathtaking fusion of theoretical physics and ancient mysticism. The Gateway Process, they concluded, is a training system designed to synchronize the hemispheres of the brain. This synchronized state, achieved through specialized audio frequencies called hemisync, allows consciousness to, and I quote, escape the constraints of time and space. Think of your conscious mind as a radio, tuned to one station, the physical world. It's loud, it's specific, and it dominates your attention. But your subconscious mind, your subconscious, is capable of receiving every station simultaneously. It is not limited by time or space. It is a non-local field of awareness. The Gateway Process is the technical manual for retuning your radio. The CIA discovered that in this heightened state, the illusion of separation between you and the universe dissolves. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean, contained within a single drop. And once you experience this truth, you gain a profound ability to influence the ocean itself. Part 2. The subconscious as the ultimate receiver. But what does this mean for you, right now, in this room? It means that the magical power we spoke of before, the power of the subconscious, is not merely a philosophical idea. It is a physical phenomenon. Your subconscious mind is your personal gateway. It is the antenna that connects your localized awareness to the non-local field of all potentiality. The conscious mind issues commands, I want wealth, I desire love, but it is the subconscious that broadcasts those commands into the universe. If your antenna is weak or tuned to the wrong frequency, the frequency of fear, of lack, of doubt, then your signal is weak. Your spells fizzle. Your desires remain dreams. The Gateway Report provides the scientific justification for what mystics have always known. Reality is malleable. Your thoughts are not just ephemeral whispers. They are patterns of energy that interact with the foundational field of the universe. And your subconscious is the transducer that converts that thought energy into reality energy. The CIA's method used complex technology, but the underlying principle is ancient, and it is accessible to anyone who knows how to speak the language of the subconscious. Part 3. The Modern Magician's Guide to the Gateway. So, let us move from theory to practice. Let us cast a spell using the Gateway principle. We will not need the CIA's machines. We only need what they were ultimately trying to activate, the magic within your soul. This is a three-part working: preparation, the journey, and the command. Step 1. Preparation, the chamber of stillness. First, you must create your sacred space. Find a place where you will not be disturbed. Sit comfortably or lie down. Close your eyes. Begin by focusing on your breath. Not controlling it, just observing it. The in-breath, the out-breath. Feel the chatter of your conscious mind begin to quiet. With each exhale, imagine releasing the static of the day, the worries, the to-do lists. You are preparing the soil of your mind for a powerful seed. Now, envision a protective energy surrounding you, a sphere of soft, cobalt blue light. This is your resonant energy balloon, your REB, as described in the Gateway tapes. This is your sacred chamber, where you are safe from all external influence. Within this sphere, you are the sovereign ruler of your own consciousness. Step 2. The journey. Tuning the antenna. This is where we mimic the hemisync technology. We will synchronize your brain hemispheres through a simple yet profound visualization. In the center of your mind, visualize a brilliant, vibrating point of white light. This is the point where all creation begins. Now, imagine this light beginning to pulse. With each pulse, it emits a low, resonant hum, the primal sound of the universe, the Om. Feel this hum vibrating through your entire being. Feel it in your skull, in your chest, in your fingertips. Now, imagine this vibration synchronizing the two sides of your brain. The logical left side and the intuitive right side are no longer separate. They are beating as one. They are humming in harmony. You are now entering a state known as Focus 10. Mind awake, body asleep. Your body is deeply relaxed, but your awareness is hyper alert. This is the gateway. The door is open. Step 3. The command. Whispering to the universe. You are now in the realm of the subconscious. The antenna is tuned. The signal is strong. This is where you plant your intention. But remember, the subconscious understands the language of feeling and symbol, not the language of demand. Do not say, "I want money." Instead, visualize yourself already in possession of what that money represents. Feel the thick, heavy texture of a $100 bill between your fingers. Smell the leather of a new car. See the contract with your signature on a life-changing deal. Feel the emotion of financial freedom, the relief, the joy, the profound sense of peace. Hold that image. Saturate it with emotion. Let it fill your entire resonant energy balloon. Then, from the very core of your being, release this energy packet into the universe. See it as a beam of light, carrying your intention, shooting out from your forehead, through the walls, into the infinite field of potential. You are not begging. You are broadcasting. You are issuing a command to the universe, backed by the full power of your synchronized mind. You are, in the words of the report, collapsing the wave function of probability into your desired reality. Hold this state for as long as it feels natural. Then, gently bring your awareness back to your breathing, back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. The spell is cast. Part 4. The warning. The responsibility of power. The Gateway report comes with a warning, and so must I. This is not a parlor trick. This is a fundamental awakening to the nature of your existence. With this power comes a profound responsibility. Your intention must be clear, and it is wise to frame it for the highest good of all concerned. Sending out energy from a place of fear, manipulation, or greed will inevitably create chaotic feedback. The universe is a mirror. What you broadcast, you receive. The gateway opens both ways. As you gain the ability to influence your reality, you must also strengthen your vessel. Practice grounding. Spend time in nature. Act with integrity. The magician who masters a powerful spell must first master themselves. For decades, this knowledge was locked away, deemed too powerful for the public. But the secret was always too big to be contained, because the secret was never in a document. It was never in a vault. The secret was always inside you. The CIA's gateway process is simply the map. But your subconscious mind is the territory. It is the ultimate receiver, the ultimate transmitter, the wellspring of true magic. You have just learned how to tune it. The veil has been lifted. The classified information is now in your hands. The question is no longer if you have this power, but what you will choose to create with it. The gateway is open. Step through.